Okay, I've done a small tack weld, as you can possibly see. Now the thing about these welds is when they burn, they actually have flux on them. So you have to knock the flux off the weld. And you take your wire brush and you brush off the excess. Not pretty, but it's a tack. And then I'll come across with my stringers with a 7018, and we will go from there. Go ahead and get my glove on here. And I'm actually going to try to do this holding this foam and see how this works out. As you can tell, I'm actually going into the crack with the weld. I don't know if you can actually see it or not. Maybe see that with the phone itself. I'm having to back it up. I'm running in the crack. That's the first stringer, which is either called the hot or the root. And I want to make sure I got a good weld, so it actually hold into it. And that's it. I got that. I'm going to take and chip off my excess. And it is hot, so be careful. I will take my wire brush here, brush it off. And as you can see, it's not half bad, but it's not the greatest in the world, but it will hold. It's good enough for me to run 2 more stringers. I got the one at the bottom and one at the top. And I'm actually going to put this on Facebook. I'm going to actually edit it and do it that way. Now, what I want to do is, even though I've got this much left on my stringer, on my electrode, I'm going to go ahead and drop it. And then I'm going to put a new one on it, which is a 7018, I'm sorry, I got mixed up, the 7018 1/8 electrode. Keep in mind, this metal is hot. Pretty decent weld. I've got to go over the top and on the bottom, so I'm going to start at the top. And to show you what I want to do here is on this one, I'm going to actually come across the top of the main weld that I welded, and then on the second one I'm going to come across the bottom, and the top will actually melt with the bottom and make one good melt on the weld. So let's do the top one and see how that works out. Again, always wear your eye protection. And a malfunction always occurs, and you need to fix it. Give me just a second. There we go. Okay. Right to the point. It's off the top of the heat. And this is well. And we got that one done. As you can tell, that's really freaking hot. I'm going to check this weld real quick. It should break off pretty easy, but like I said, it's hot. So you have to be really careful and not to get it on you. Okay, now what I'm going to do is a bottom weld, and it should melt the two welds together. This one here, right, got a little bit of a inconsistency because I don't know what happened, but it kind of went up a little bit on me. But that's a pretty decent weld there. And once I get that bottom weld in there, it'll be fine. Like I said, we got that much left. Okay. Alright. We go ahead and put another electrode on here, run the fourth one, and the third one, and we'll be good. Alright. This one will be running across the bottom, and here you go. Okay, we got the bottom one ran, and that concludes step 2.